Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks. And this tips and tricks related on RØDE Wireless Micro. This is the very tiny device. This time they are introducing without connecting receiver. You can very easily pair this tiny device to your iPhone. It's very easy. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration. So let's start. First of all, I will show you. This is my iPhone and I connected here. This is the receiver. So we need to download one of the application. Is a road capture. This is the application you need to download first of all in your phone, and after that you should tab here. So look at this here. Firstly, I will show you. Here is the receiver, here is the transmitter, and if I tab here, connect direct. So look at this here, direct connect. It's very easy. First time you can connect, you just simply install this application. After that you connect this one. So the application are asking you to update the process. So first time you should update this application and spending around 5 to 10 minutes to update new version. After that you just simply remove and very easily replace and connect directly. So look at this, here is connected one. Same process you should use in different iPhone and connect. So one pair, one iPhone, and second pair is the second iPhone, and after that you should record the video. It's very easy. After that, one of the option they are introducing here, noise reduction option also they are providing here, is the high and off, then low, and then very high. If you are record the video like in traffic area and crowded area, so you should apply this process is high. So this RØDE Wireless Micro is not receiving other noises and you receive amazing output using this process. This is one of the outstanding features they are introducing for the latest update in RØDE capture application, and after that you should record using this mic any of the places. Hello, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see. Now I just simply pause, play. Hello, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see. It's very easy to connect without receiver, RØDE Wireless Micro Mini. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.